Okay, item 8.3, development application for proposed large lot residential. So Councillor Summers moved, seconded by Councillor Stewart.
Well, just briefly, I've obviously reviewed the DA and taken into account all the information that's been provided. But I guess two bottom lines for me is that we're advised by our staff this is a legal approach, and secondly, the need for residential land and for somewhere for people to live is particularly pressurised in our area.
I speak against this. I think that councillors are the door between developers and community, and I think the community is really quite upset about this development. It's supposed to be a large lot residential, and that has basically gone out the window. And I think this is just overstepping the mark.
So I personally think we shouldn't approve this until we're fully informed. And I would like to be fully informed and actually see the written legal advice addressing the case that has now been finalised and is on the public record. And on this occasion, which I think is probably the next largest subdivision proposal that's come before us, I certainly had no knowledge of it until the last council meeting. And as you know, the paper was withdrawn for a number of quality matters. So for those two reasons, I think we should not approve it today. And I think we should ask staff to get us fully informed before it comes back to council. Councillors.
Councillor Summers, this is your motion. Are you?
Absolutely not. We keep putting off decisions. It's legal. We should pursue it.
No. On that case, I would suggest councillors vote it down.
Right reply.
Thank you. Yes, I've listened to what everyone said, and ironically, having some lot of activity with the environmental land care movement, the fact that these are smaller blocks is actually a good thing, because these folk are not agricultural entrepreneurs in the most likely going to buy these blocks, because they have less land to have to worry about. And because it meets the legal criteria, we will just end up in the Land and Environment Court with the developer taking us to task and just cost them as more money. I mean, we are at risk of getting a reputation for ourselves of knocking back legitimate applications for DAs, and I don't think we want to go down this road. It's what's contributed to the housing crisis we have at the present time.
Everyone in support of the motion as it stands on the board: Councillor Stewart, Councillor Summers, Councillor Beer, Councillor Davis, and Councillor Higgins. Against the motion, thank you. Councillor Williamson, Councillor Frolick, Councillor Mitchell, and Councillor Johnson. The motion is obviously passed. Thank you. Thank you.